science of war has evolved throughout the years, and man has adapted to his environment with the use of technology. To meet the demands of this ever-changing battle space, the ability to see, communicate, and deploy a lethal strike to the adversary with a small, agile system is paramount. Such abilities were shaped with the technological development of Small Unmanned Aircraft Systems, otherwise known as SUAS, and led to the rise of a robotic tech superiority race.
Basically, it can be packed up and taken anywhere, launched anywhere, which gives you the flexibility of anybody could operate these things anywhere and not having to necessarily go to an airfield and be restricted on that. The best camera you have is the one you have with you, and in this case, if you've got a drone, you can launch that up and look over a hill, look around some buildings, give you a God's eye view. It's a situational enhancement tool for the troops.
The 371st Special Operations Combat Training Squadron, Detachment 1, is SOCOM's premier JFTU for SUAS IQT. Det 1 was established to reduce vendor costs by an average of 92% and improve the quality of SUAS training in quantities that meet the unique ISR needs of joint partners. From a basic understanding of piloting a SUAS to handling emergency situations, air commandos and joint partners are trained to safely and effectively employ SUAS as an organic ISR capability. SUAS's ability to be small and rapidly deployed are some of their greatest attributes. The majority of these versatile systems can be launched quickly and utilized in minutes for a variety of uses. Whether it is gathering intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, counterintelligence, target acquisition and destruction, battle damage assessments, convoy security, and force protection. In simple terms, SUAS provides offensive capabilities together with overwatch protective measures to keep service members out of harm's way. The 371st SOCTS Small Unmanned Aircraft Systems Joint Formal Training Unit is located at Naval Outlying Field, Choctaw, Florida. This multi-service training center is uniquely suited for SUAS operations. The 371st Det 1 offers several IQT courses on various fixed and rotary wing SUAS that consist of ground school, mission planning, simulator training, flight training, and a qualification exam. 371st Detachment 1 provides an agile response to emerging technologies by building, developing, and validating new courseware to meet the user's capability requirements for any SOCOM Group 1 to 3 SUAS platform. Once students receive a basic understanding of Small Unmanned Aircraft Systems, they start flight simulator training.
Once we've established a foundation with the academic portion, they'll come in and fly a simulator flight. With the exception of pre-flight, launch, and landing, on the simulator, whether it's in front of the laptop or on the hand controller, the student gets a simulated flight, and that way the buttonology terminology is there. If there's any deficiencies whatsoever, we'll be able to pick that up during the simulator flight and correct it before we go out and fly our live flights.
Students receive a demonstration from instructors on the setup, deployment, flight operation, and recovery of a SUAS. Cameras attached to the aircraft transmit to a handheld computer device, allowing the operator to see events on the ground from miles away. The controls are then handed over to the students, where they take what they have learned in the classroom and demonstrate their ability to deploy, fly, and recover a small unmanned aircraft system. The 371st Detachment 1, with its flexible, standardized, and cost-effective training, poises itself to answer the problems of tomorrow and stay ahead of America's near peers' current and future SUAS capabilities.